Flower! Ala, lang. Pero madam, I'm surprised.
Hey there mga kapuwersa, another day, another ganap na naman, and today is special because we are throwing a send-off party for our beloved head nurse, Ma'am Lau. So kaya naman guys, medyo busy tayo at saka nagde-decorate tayo para nga ma-surprise siya, diba? So we set up a little surprise for her with all her favorite food, some gift, and a few messages that are definitely going to bring out the tears. Sana nga maantig siya guys at magdradrama kami later with all those shared memories we had with Ma'am Lau. So, babalikan namin yun lahat guys kasi this is the last day of Ma'am Lau. So, kailangan nating i-reminisce yung mga memories natin with her. So, ito pala yung aming backdrop guys. So, red and gold yung aming napiling color combination because gold is indestructible. Parang si Ma'am Lau lang, strong and independent woman. Walang pwedeng tumibag dyan, diba? So, while preparing here guys, hindi talaga alam ni Ma'am Lau na may pa-surprise na ganito kasi nga nasa loob lang siya ng office niya. And di niya alam na may pa-send-off party para sa kanya. Kasi gusto nga naming i-surprise siya. That's the main goal, diba? And finally guys, dumating na yung food. And thank you nga pala sa mga sponsors who truly love Ma'am Lau. Kung wala kayo guys, hindi ganito kadaming food namin. So let's go guys, puntahan na natin si Ma'am Lau sa kanyang office at surprise na natin siya.
Flower! Ala, lang. Pero madam, I'm surprised. Surprise.
Oh my God! Serious man!
Madam Yella, let's go outside. Let's go outside. Go outside na Ma'am Lau. Because we have a special send-off party for you.
Kabalo ka kapayas! Thank you for everything.
At dahil gusto talaga namin maging formal yung send-off party ni Ma'am Lau, so mayroon kaming short program for her and we started it with a prayer and after that a message from our team leader, Sir JP Villanueva.
We give you all the glory and thank you for endless goodness and grace.
Madam, my dearest wonderful boss. All I can say, thank you for every memory that we look in our heart forever. Ako pag si Maniro. Iwan pa si Joy Boy daw. Sa Piniero.
Big imagination.
Because you deserve a nice picture. And then I know it's what I like more. Saya or whatever. Just came for a letter. Well wishes.
Come here. iPad mo din sa stage.
Wait lang. Ma'am Lau, una sa talaga yung salamat po. Ayun, napag-firing.
Oh, ayun.
Get inspiration po to start working. And thank you sa
Dying ulo sometimes. And thank you, Mom Kai. You brought smile for everyone. Thank you, and bon voyage, and I will always keep praying on you. And yung tama successful.
Namin chocolates nila yung mga konta.
Yun lang mo bro, thank you for creating.
Ano ako si Ate?
1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Jump, jump.
Mag-reliever ng mango. There. Nice. Guys, kahit
At di pa nga dyan nagtatapos yung mga surprises namin for Mom Lau. We also prepared a simple token of love and appreciation. Mayroon kaming pa-slam book wherein we can write our messages and well wishes for Mom Lau. So yun guys, kasama na dyan yung mga patients. Nagbigay talaga sila ng kanilang messages. And also we got this Celine bag for Mom Lau as a gift. These are just a simple token of love and appreciation for Mom Lau for her great leadership. Thank you for creating an environment where we feel heard, valued, and capable. Your tireless work behind the scenes keeps our unit running smoothly, and your heart keeps us inspired. Thank you for being such an incredible leader and mentor to all of us. Your leadership never goes unnoticed. And that's for today's video, guys. We ate good food, shared a million laugh, and gave our head nurse the epic send-off she truly deserves. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to drop all the love for Mom Lau in the comments. See you in the next vlog. Bye!